Hi guys, I'm back with you today to do a Samsung Galaxy Note 4 in Blossom Pink unboxing. It's actually my second unboxing video, but the other one got deleted somehow. This is also the second Galaxy Note 4 in pink I've had, because the other one was sent off for repairs and they couldn't repair it. So I thought I'd do an unboxing for you guys who's interested in the Galaxy Note 4 in pink. Okay. This is the box. It's got pink edges here. There's the phone there on the top. There's the Galaxy Note 4 in pink. There's the back. There you go. I'm actually recording from my iPad, so sorry if this isn't too great of a video. There you go. It's got a nice pink pen as well, as you can see. Okay, inside the box you have the fast charger. This is to take out the nib bits inside the pen. These are the headphones. They've actually got like harder buttons this time compared to before. On the Note 3 they were quite transparent. And then you've got the extra spare headphone bits that come in small or a bigger size to put onto your headphones, and that's the wire for your super fast charging plug. Okay, there you go. Hope you guys liked the video. That's the Samsung Galaxy Note 4 in pink. I have had requests to do a what's on my Galaxy Note 4 video, so I will do one of those videos once I've sorted out this phone and put everything I need to put onto it. Thanks guys, hope you liked the video. Thank you, bye bye.